Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 530D M Sport XDRIVE. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have the LED headlights as well as the black Kindergirls, full M Sport styling kits, so you get the black front splitter, side skirts engines and also a rear diffuser. On this vehicle you do also get the blacked out styling, so you get the black roof bars and the black privacy glass on the rear and also the black window trim. Dual exit exhaust flush in the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser with front and rear parking sensors. Now you do get a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button just underneath there, or on the touch of a button on the key, which reveals a nice spacious sized boot. You also get the rubber boot liner just there, as well as power assisted back down again. Now being the touring version of the 5 Series, you also get the split fold tailgate just there to make it easier to load luggage and anything else that you need to put into the rear. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If you go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points just down there, pull down armrest with 2 nice sized cup holders just there, storage behind the passenger and also the driver's seat, and the electric windows, brushed metal trim just there as well with the integrated premium Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's seat. Now it is electrically adjustable and both front seats are also heated. Electric windows just there as well, ambient lighting, integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside, looking down there, auto lights, foot and the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, and also paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, as you can see just there. Then when the tyre pressure notification light comes off, you can see this vehicle has done just over 25,700 miles and is again free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now it's customizable, so when changing to different drive modes, the look of the instrument cluster also changes.
Navigation is not
Going to the centre, we can find the satellite navigation. Now it is a fully touchscreen screen, as you can see just there. Now you do also have your media connectivity, so you do have DAB, scrolling across, you can see FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB, Bluetooth phone connectivity. Again, back to navigation, different drive modes, so you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, and also Sport with individual. Now I can configure those individual settings just there as well. Pop it into reverse, front and rear parking sensors with your visual display. Click on that button just there. Coming off that, click it again. You have your intelligent safety. Now you can have it all on, all off, or individual. Now coming down here, dual zone climate control works exactly how you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats, which again work exactly how you expect them to. Very nice for those cold winter mornings. Pop this open, storage tray just down there with ambient lighting, 2 nice sized cup holders and also 12-volt connectivity. The key just there as well with your locking wheel nut. Gloss black trim matched with the brushed metal trim, very nice addition to have. If you're not using the touchscreen function, that's what you would use with your touchpad on top to zoom in and out of the map. Traction control on and off with drive mode, select parking sensors on and off, electric parking brake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well from a touch of a button. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat. You can see the ambient light just in the back as it is a bit darker. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not fighting the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, to go straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now do you have paddle shift if we stay the car into manual mode, which I'll do when I turn left at the roundabout. Now I do also have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate the cruise control, simply just press the button at the top and it'll go to nearest miles an hour. On the dial, push up very slightly, it'll just by 1. Push up until feel a bit of a click, it'll just turn nearest 5 miles an hour. Now that is vice versa going down as well. Now the roundabout taking the left, and I'm going to take over the paddle shift. So currently in 2nd, up to 3rd, into 4th, into 5th, and to let the car take back over, simply just let go. Or you can push the gear stick to the left and it'll either go into S or M. Now when it's in S, I use the sports gear changing mode, so it rests the rev rate a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. The push back to the right to put it back into the normal automatic mode. Now we do have the digital dash in front of me, which changes colour when you put a few different drive modes, so you can go Pro, Sport and Comfort. We have very comfortable front seats as well. Now the front seats are also heated and electric, so if there's cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference. Now in the rear, you do also have full leather seats throughout, all very, very comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in either of the seats and still get up feeling fresh, as you do have quite a lot of legroom in the back. Now we have the screen in the centre, which is also a touchscreen, where you can also find your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, your DAB radio, your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors there as well. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any model locks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always bonus when buying a used car. Right now, I'm currently in the industrial state, where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to pull on a emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hard anti brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the visual display just there as well. Now back into drive again, no issues whatsoever. Now I'm in the shade, you can see the ambient lighting that goes around this vehicle, which is a very nice addition to have, and especially at night. It really does make the inside of this car feel very, very nice. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video and test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.